Public policy shapes nations. At IIM Bangalore, we build the skills, network, and expertise to drive meaningful change.
With the 22nd cohort of the postgraduate program in Public Policy and Management, the program from IIM Bangalore transitions into a Masters of Management Studies. This is a degree offered by the Institute for completing 72 credits offered within the scope of the program. This program offers routine online MOOCs type of courses which one can do when one is not on campus. And once you're on campus, we'll have regular classroom interactions, which builds on not just collaborative learning, but also with faculty, with other programs in the institute, you sort of interact. And over time, we also have been seeding different dynamic aspects to the program. For example, we have a policy immersion, which takes you into understanding public service delivery a lot better.
Hello, I'm Chandrika. When I started PGPPM, I was looking for a program which could bridge my experience in Indian revenue service with theoretical understanding of policy frameworks. And being at IIM Bangalore did exactly that. It gave me perspective and tools which has helped me to become an effective decision maker.
One of the biggest takeaway for me was learning from my peers. Coming from Indian Railways, I interacted with officials from Revenue Services, Corporate Law Services and DRDO. The different context, the diversity of thoughts really broadened my perspective on articulating public policy and its implementation in the field.
This course empowered me to tackle larger challenges with confidence. The rigorous analytical training, invaluable peer network, and insightful faculty membership, they all played a pivotal role in shaping my career. The workshop-based field visits, courses on analytical tools and data processing methodologies, they played a key role in drafting evidence-based policy making and its evaluation.
Hi, as we all know, context and content are important for mobility in life. Context is the objective or vision or mission. Content is the action we do to achieve that objective. We also know past success will not guarantee future performance. Continuous external benchmarking, willingness to evolve are essential to avoid stagnation. That is the reason I joined this program. I hope this will benefit you as well.
We also focus on looking at a mini dissertation as a part of a policy paper writing. There's a case study component. So there are many different ways in which the single courses that you do as a part of your 72 credits are brought together in a synergistic whole to create knowledge products as a part of your experience here at IIM Bangalore. We think this is a really exciting time to do this program. A lot of things are changing in the country. A lot of things are there to study, understand, and identify ways in which one can produce an impact on society and in the country as a whole.
IIM Bangalore's PGPPM program is quite unique. It offers multiple implications both at an individual level and at an institutional level. I mean, it actually accelerates the individual's career quite a lot, and also unique at an institutional level. The courses, the material, the pedagogy has been defined specifically for the PGPPM participants. These participants can accelerate their career after going through this course and the program. Not only that, clubbed with their professional and policy level knowledge, when this knowledge gets combined with that, they are able to make larger implications at the policy and the system level. This is what makes the program so unique.
Aspire, inspire, lead. The PGPPM journey at IIM Bangalore is more than just a program. It's a stepping stone to shaping policy and governance at the highest levels.